Hello everyone, and welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money Online. Today, we're going to talk about the top 10 ways to make money online without investment. Before we dive into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our future fascinating videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Start a blog. Making money online is a long process. What you needed to start a blog is purchase hosting, themes, and a domain. But now, you can start your blog without even spending a single penny. It's one of the best ways to make money as an entrepreneur. First of all, start writing on Medium and monetize on the Medium Partner Program. You can create a blog free of cost on Blogger or WordPress. Don't forget that money is equal to traffic in blogging. Furthermore, you can monetize the content of your blog by marketing and selling products. Although it's a long-term process, it's one of the best ways to make money online. Blogging is a professional way to earn money online, but you will need good writing skills and at least one proper niche to start. You have to have proper knowledge of this particular niche, a decent education, and good communication skills. With some hard work, you'll soon start earning in this field. Number 2. Through content writing. If you're a good writer and have good command of the English language, you can write content to make money online. No doubt, writing articles is a time-consuming process that requires knowledge and research, but it does not need any initial investment. You should start by writing sample articles and sending them to your prospective clients. Moreover, you can also work for a website, which will pay you for your writing. If you have these skills, you can work for clients on any freelance marketplace. Writing is a difficult online job, but if you have some experience, then this choice will be for you. Number 3. Earn money by becoming a freelancer. You can make money online by becoming a freelancer if you know programming, marketing, or design. But you need to have the patience if you're going to do this kind of work. Generally, 2 skills are required to become a good freelancer. First is a core skill that you have, and the other is marketing skills. You can also take the help of an expert marketer if you're not good at marketing. Along with that, you should have excellent communication skills, as that will help you get more clients. Don't worry if you don't have these specific skills. There are a lot of different fields on freelance marketplaces. For example, there are more than 100 different fields of work on Fiverr, and you can specialize in one and start earning quite a lot of money. Recently, the trend of making money online through freelance work has gained tremendous popularity. This is my personal choice that could be good for you if you properly pursue it. The best way to start is to sign up on one of the many freelance platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork to start earning money. Number 4. Becoming a consultant. You can also earn money online by selling your knowledge to people as a consultant. For this, you should have considerable experience in your field. You can make quite a bit of money by doing this job online. Also, you can become a consultant for content creation. A person having core competitive skills could work as a consultant and search for clients online. For instance, as a finance professional, you can create a website for attracting clients online who need financial advice. Number 5. Earn money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the same as running a retail shop. You need to sign up with retailers such as Flipkart or Amazon to provide those products that you like the most via websites and social media apps. It's a kind of separate option as it works with any online business. In some cases, people do not own a website but earn money via affiliate marketing. For instance, you can curate a list of your favorite books and link it to Flipkart so that people can purchase books that match their interests, and you will earn an affiliate commission. Also, you can begin with promoting affiliate links through Facebook groups and online forums. Number 6. Make money by writing an ebook. You can also earn money online by writing an ebook. If you have any topic that interests you or a hobby, writing about it could be easy. Moreover, you can find a publisher online that will buy your book and pay you in royalties. You can also sell your book with the help of Amazon Kindle Publishing. They will charge a commission on every sale, but you get the rest. Number 7. Start a product startup. This is a more profitable method of running a business online. You never know in advance, though, how a startup will help in your growth. You need to do the hard work to make a product that customers want. But the complete process of starting a business is quite exciting. An option that you also have is to find investors who can help you raise capital without you having to spend anything yourself. Number 8. Make money on Facebook and Instagram. You can earn money through Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Depending on the number of your followers, you can charge quite a bit for just one tweet or post. A fan base on social media is an asset for those people who are in the entertainment domain. Hence, people related to this domain can monetize their pages on social media. Number 9. Make money on YouTube. Some people earn millions on YouTube, but it's not an easy task. Generally, two types of people can create successful YouTube channels. First, those who can make funny or entertaining videos, and second, those who can create helpful videos. You might need to learn how to use several different tools to make quality videos, such as proper cameras, lighting, and video editing. Another option is to outsource these skills or find friends who can help and be part of the channel. Number 10. Make money online through webinars. This is the 21st century, and everybody is looking for new ways to connect better with their existing customers and hunt for new customers. In the past, companies and brands spent millions on arranging offline seminars and creating public meetings or events to advertise their products to a wider audience. And therefore, they ran the risk of losing money or failing in their business completely. With the internet, now we can easily and freely create online seminars, which we call webinars. And they are highly in demand. Almost every type of individual would be happy to join a webinar and hear what experts have to say. Usually, people come to webinars to get true and inside information on a particular topic from which they can benefit. For example, if you're publishing content on your finance blog about saving money and investing, then you should hold a webinar on how to save money for retirement or where to invest money for sure profits, as these are the topics which everybody interested in finance would enjoy. At the end of the webinar, you can suggest your product or classes for which the attendees would have to pay if they want. With this strategy, you will make more sales and get more people to know about you and your product or service. What do you think about today's list? Let us know in the comments below. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified of future videos. See you next time!